Small gaps between baseboard and wall are best resolved with a stretch caulking technique for a smooth, paintable seam. Start by choosing a high-quality acrylic latex stretch caulk with silicone for flexibility and paintability. These products adhere well to both painted drywall and wood trim while allowing movement without cracking. Cut the tip of the cartridge at a shallow angle to create a small, round opening about 1/8 of an inch, so you can lay a thin bead that fills the gap without overfilling. Apply steady pressure on the caulking gun and run the bead along the joint in one continuous motion when possible, keeping the nozzle angled toward the gap and slightly ahead of the bead to push caulk into voids. Immediately after applying, dip a clean finger in water mixed with a drop of dish soap and smooth the bead by dragging your finger along the seam with light, even pressure. This both shapes the caulk and forces it into tiny crevices. Wipe excess caulk from the baseboard and wall with a damp microfiber rag, rinsing the rag frequently to avoid smearing. If the caulk shrinks slightly during curing, apply a second thin pass and then touch up with paint once the caulk is fully dry. Common mistakes include cutting too large an opening, which deposits excess caulk that creates messy ridges. Fix this by restringing the tip and trimming smaller so you can control the bead size. Another issue is failing to smooth the bead right away, which leaves a textured finish and gaps. Remedy it by keeping a small bowl of the water and soap mix and smoothing immediately after application using light pressure. A third problem is painting before the caulk is fully cured, which can cause discoloration or adhesion failure. Wait the manufacturer recommended cure time, usually 24 hours for thin beads, and test a hidden spot before full paint coverage. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors and offers a community where people share experiences about trim work and finishing techniques. We connect contractors with job opportunities and support a discussion community so homeowners and pros can exchange tips and recommendations.